for the flora and fauna of the world, for the sound of their dance, for the smell of their soil, for the sight of their beauty. Vishwa is awaiting you at the Statue of Unity. Unity in diversity indeed, bringing life to it are the herbs, shrubs and the trees from across 7 continents of the world, living together at Vishwa near Statue of Unity. The colors of unity will inspire you. So will the spectacular view. The splendid design of pathways takes you to the glory of nature's play. Discover the world's diverse biogeography here, the intelligence behind distribution of species and ecosystems. The presentation of forests is inspired from the Olympic rings representing each continent. Enter the edifices of traditional abodes of folks brought from the remotest areas of the world, be that Fiji House, Bali House, Molaka House or Pagoda. Experience their ways of living, nurturing the nature, as Vishwa is awaiting you at the Statue of Unity, the world's tallest statue.